Can great ideas happen if you think inside the box? We believe so. At PEM, our fastening innovations for datacom and telecom applications continue to evolve with industry challenges. As a leading global manufacturer, PEM engineers design innovation into products. When a customer faces pressure to design their next-generation system with smaller, lighter, and stronger components, they turn to PEM as a collaborative partner that will leverage their engineering expertise. A comprehensive solution partner from start to finish, inside and out, including applications engineering, testing, inspection, and tech support. PEM is constantly thinking about ways to push innovation for our customers, both present and future.